The home page is the main page of your website. If you have your own domain name, it's the page that loads when someone types in the domain name with nothing else after it. In WordPress, you can set your home page as either a regular page or as an index of your blog posts. To change this, open up the Customizer and click on the Settings panel. Under the Your Homepage Displays heading, you'll see two options. For most sites, you'll want to choose a static page. This lets you pick any page of your site and set it as your homepage. You can use the Homepage drop-down box just below to choose a page. Just note that before choosing a static page, you'll want to have your homepage already created. If you don't, then thankfully most themes come with a specific template for the homepage, which should let you set it up quickly. Once you've got that page ready, just come back to the Customizer and choose it here. If you're running a blog site, or maybe using the WordPress post feature as the focus of your site for a different reason, then you might want to choose the Your Latest Post option instead of a static page. When you're done, click the Publish button at the top of the Customizer. Your changes will now be saved and live on your site. Check out the rest of our Using WordPress series for more tips on using your WordPress website.